Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA graphics card if it's not showing in Device Manager. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check your GPU inside your computer case if it's seated properly. If it's running, well, you're good to go. If not, go ahead and turn off your computer and reseat it. Also, check the cables, okay, if it's properly seated. Now, let's say it's properly seated. Your computer boots up normally, and when you go head over to Device Manager, it doesn't pop up or it won't show. So first thing that you need to do in here is go ahead and select your username and then go to Action and then just click on Scan for Hardware Changes. Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to your display adapters. And once you see your NVIDIA graphics card right here, just right click on it, click on Update, and then search automatically for drivers. Okay? Now, if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, well, click on Search for Update right here for Windows Update. Make sure that you install all available updates from here, as well as from Advanced Options, Optional Updates. Make sure, again, that you install all available updates right here. As you can see here, I have an update available for my second monitor. So I'm just going to download it. All right. So once that's installed, or once all is installed, make sure that you restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, well, go ahead over to Device Manager once more. Click on View. And then make sure that you click on Show Hidden Devices. Okay. And then once done, you should be able to see your NVIDIA graphics card. So just right click on it, for example, this one, and just update the driver, okay? So right click update, if it's disabled, just enable it right here. And after that, again, restart your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and find your favorite browser, and then just type down NVIDIA driver. Hit on enter. Now from here, just click on download the official NVIDIA drivers. Okay, you could do it manually from here or just select best for creators or gamers. And then in here, just click on download. Okay, download it, follow simple prompts on how to install it. It's fairly easy. I'm not going to do it again because I already have it. Now, once it's installed, open it up. And then once done, go ahead over to the drivers tab right here in the left panel. And then make sure that you select game ready driver. Okay. Click on it, wait for it to load. Now go ahead and click on download. And after this download prompt, it will say install once the download is done. So go ahead and install it. And once done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix an NVIDIA graphics card if it's not showing in Device Manager. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.